We all depend on our reliable kitchen essentials, but a cool gadget can bring some extra excitement to cooking. In this video, we'll introduce you to 18 cool kitchen gadgets on Amazon. Let's get started. This ultra-sized set includes 2 shower caddies, each with 8 hooks, plus a soap dish and toothbrush holder. Perfect for storing all your bathroom essentials, it's also versatile enough for kitchens, RVs, or laundry rooms. Crafted from top-grade 304 stainless steel with a powder-coated finish, these caddies are built to last. They're rust-resistant, scratch-proof, and designed to withstand humid conditions for up to 8 years, backed by a warranty. These shelves can hold up to 40 pounds, ensuring your items stay securely in place. Introducing the LÖFFEL Pizza Cutter Wheel, the professional-grade tool for perfect pizza slices every time. Its razor-sharp circular blade, crafted from premium stainless steel, effortlessly cuts through any crust, keeping toppings in place for a clean, precise slice. Safety and comfort are key features of this pizza cutter. The ergonomic handle with rubberized non-slip grips ensures a secure hold, while the protective plastic cover guards against accidental cuts. Cleaning is a breeze with this dishwasher-safe design. The wheel easily detaches for thorough cleaning. A quick rinse, and it's ready for the dishwasher alongside your other utensils. This multi-purpose tool stretches over your sink for rinsing vegetables, draining pasta, or thawing frozen foods. It even doubles as a dish rack for air-drying utensils and small plates. With its modern, adjustable design, this colander expands from 14 to 19 inches, fitting most sinks while saving space when not in use. The raised bottom prevents water from backing up into your food when draining. Featuring evenly spaced holes for efficient draining and increased airflow, this colander is perfect for most kitchen tasks. However, note that it's not suitable for small grains like rice or quinoa. This versatile device quickly minces garlic cloves and doubles as a food chopper for vegetables, meats, and cheese. Designed for convenience, it's USB rechargeable with a battery life of up to 30 days on a single charge. Its lightweight, portable design makes it perfect for travel, outdoor meals, and camping trips. Operation couldn't be simpler. Just press and hold the top button to control the chopping process. In seconds, you'll have evenly chopped ingredients ready to enhance your recipes. With its powerful 60-watt motor and sharp blades, this 250-milliliter capacity chopper tackles a variety of ingredients in just 10 seconds. This appliance brings gourmet pasta making to your kitchen, creating 2 to 3 servings of delicious pasta in just 18 minutes. Featuring a uniquely designed stirring bar, it automatically kneads and extrudes pasta to perfection. The machine comes with 3 classic shaping discs for spaghetti, penne, and fettuccine, utilizing a double extrusion process for consistently smooth results. Unleash your culinary creativity by experimenting with different flours and adding ingredients like eggs, herbs, or vegetable juices to create a variety of pasta types and flavors. This rack adjusts to fit various countertop sizes, accommodating everything from plates and bowls to full-sized pots and pans. Featuring a foldable partition, it can hold up to 6 goblets or large cookware, while easily collapsing for compact storage. The built-in water guide hole prevents unwanted water accumulation. Keep your cutlery organized with the 3-compartment utensil holder, capable of storing over 30 pieces separately. Its long drainage outlet directs water efficiently into the drip tray. The Extend tray's salient point and swivel drainage spout channel water directly into your sink, keeping countertops dry. This durable brush features non-scratch nylon bristles that effortlessly remove grease and grime, even safe for use on non-stick cookware. Convenience is key with this innovative design. Simply twist to open, fill with your favorite dish soap, and lock. A light push of the top button dispenses soap as you clean. The brush head is easily removable and replaceable for long-lasting use. Comfort meets functionality with the contoured, non-slip grip. Covered in TPR material, it stays secure in your hand even when wet and soapy, reducing the pressure needed for for effective cleaning. Made with innovative flex texture foam, these sponges are firm in cold water for tough scrubbing and soft in warm water for gentle cleaning. It's like having the perfect tool for every mess. These scratch-free sponges are safe on over a dozen materials, from glass and stainless steel to non-stick coatings and even leather. Use them confidently on your dishes, car, windows, and more. Odor-resistant for up to 8 weeks when properly maintained, they come in 3 colors to help you designate specific cleaning areas. This all-in-one companion combines premium German steel knives with high-quality wooden utensils made from FSC-certified birchwood. The set includes a pioneering modular organization unit and magnetic storage system, keeping your tools tidy and accessible. With 4 essential knives, kitchen shears, and 5 wooden utensils, this prep set has everything you need to chop better and prep cleaner. It's designed to streamline your cooking process and elevate your culinary experience. This electric sharpener features a dual system for quick and efficient knife maintenance. The crude stage rapidly sharpens, while the fine stage polishes for a smooth, burr-free edge. Restore your knife's sharpness in seconds. Sharpening is quick and simple. Just insert your dull knife at an angle, keeping it close to the outer wall. Pull from outside to inside, repeating 2 to 5 times in each slot. Your knife will be like new in no time. This 4-in-1 sharpener isn't just for knives. It also handles scissors and slotted screwdrivers, making it a versatile tool for your kitchen. This set includes a stainless steel colander, a non-slip plastic bowl, a removable lid, and 3 grater attachments. Perfect for washing vegetables, rinsing rice, straining pasta, and more. Experience smart design with the rotating pivot colander that stays horizontal while draining. The removable lid center accommodates interchangeable graters for shredding cheese and veggies. Remember to lock the colander in place for secure use. Ergonomic details make this set a joy to use. The large, sturdy handles ensure a comfortable grip, while the non-slip base keeps the bowl steady during use. This sleek organizer is designed to simplify your life and bring order to your fridge space. Crafted from BPA-free, premium-quality clear material, this organizer offers both durability and visibility. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting use in your busy kitchen. Don't limit its potential. This versatile organizer isn't just for soda cans. Use it to store bottles, cups, and other food items in your pantry or kitchen, keeping everything safe and organized. Its sleek design allows for efficient stacking, maximizing your storage capacity without sacrificing accessibility. Introduce elegance to your table with ZMOWIPDL vintage glassware drinking glasses. This set includes 6 charming hobnail glasses, a convenient cup cleaning sponge with hand handle. Experience the unique retro design featuring an embossed, beaded style that exudes European vintage charm. Each glass is pleasingly heavy, with a comfortable feel. The beaded pattern isn't just for looks. It provides a non-slip grip for easy handling. Versatility meets style with these multi-purpose glasses. Standing 3.93 inches tall and 3.14 inches wide, each glass holds 12 ounces of your favorite beverage. This non-stick cookware set covers all your basic cooking needs while looking great in your kitchen. Experience faster cooking and easier cleanup with these aluminum pans. They heat up quicker than steel or cast iron, and the non-stick ceramic coating makes washing a breeze, by hand or in the dishwasher. Versatility is key with this set. The pans feature a ferrous bottom, making them suitable for most stoves, gas, electric, and even induction cooktops. They're also oven-safe, expanding your cooking options. From soufflés and crème brûlée to lava cakes and French onion soup, these ramekins elevate your culinary presentation. They're also ideal for serving condiments, sauces, or organizing recipe ingredients as you cook. Crafted from high-fired porcelain with a smooth glaze, these soufflé ramekins are built to last. Lead-free and flavor-resistant, they're safe for microwave and oven use up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, as well as dishwasher and freezer-friendly. Cleaning and storage are a breeze with these ramekins. The protective glaze resists stains, while their uniform profile allows for easy stacking, saving valuable kitchen space without risking breakage. This 20-piece collection serves four, featuring dinner knives, forks, spoons, salad forks, and teaspoons, all you need for a complete table setting. Crafted from premium 1810 stainless steel, this cutlery set combines durability with elegance. The multiple fine polishing process results in a smooth, mirror finish that's both appealing to the eye and comfortable to hold. Kingstone's attention to detail shines through in the design. Thickened handles provide a comfortable grip and resist bending, while the streamlined body makes cleaning a breeze. Say goodbye to single-use plastics. This flatware is built to last. This clever set combines a strainer bowl and colander, perfect for rinsing rice and quinoa, soaking produce, and cleaning berries. Use them together or separately to suit your culinary needs. Experience the modern design that makes cooking easier. The strainer's fine holes prevent rice from escaping down the drain, while the colander's evenly spaced 0.15-inch holes ensure quick drainage. Its functionality meets efficiency in one sleek package. Save time in the kitchen with this smart design. Soak and wash produce in the strainer bowl with the colander inside, then simply lift the colander to drain. No mess, no fuss. With 4 trays included, each producing 14 cubes, you'll have a total of 56 ice cubes at your fingertips. Crafted from durable silicone and PP material, these trays withstand long-term freezer storage without breaking. The soft silicone bottom allows for easy ice release without twisting, enhancing the tray's longevity. Using these trays is a breeze. Simply fill to the max line, cover, freeze, and pop out your ice cubes. For effortless lid removal, wait 30 seconds after freezing. Plus, they're dishwasher safe for easy cleaning.